Dok, mahina na po ang puso ko. May pag-asa pa po ba? At ito po ang pinakamasakit na tanong. Huli na po ba ang lahat? If you ever ask yourself this question or may mahal ka sa buhay na may sakit sa puso, this video is for you. Because today, we're going to talk honestly about weak hearts, heart failure, recovery, and of course, hope based on science but not on fear. So hello po, ako po si Dr. Delara, cardiologist. Marami po sa mga pasyente ko ang pumapasok sa klinik na may dalang takot. Ito pong mahina akong puso, lalakas pa ho ba? If this weakened heart muscle, pwede pa ho bang ma-repair? Or too late na po ito sa aking puso? So maybe let's answer this one by one. So can a weak heart repair itself? So let's be clear and honest about it. The heart cannot actually fully regenerate like your skin, but it can get stronger, function better, and stabilize with the right treatment. So ano ibig sabihin pag may weak heart? Yan ay yung tinatawag na heart failure, you have low ejection fraction by your 2D echo, or meron kang weak muscle because of chronic standing uncontrolled high blood pressure, or previously you had a heart attack o nagkaroon ka ng cardiomyopathy. Pero tandaan, with proper medication, lifestyle change, at continuous follow-up, a lot of patients improve significantly and some even return to near normal function. So totoo po, a weak heart can get stronger again, but it requires commitment. So healing doesn't always mean back to zero disease, but healing means better quality of life and fewer hospitalization. So ano bang most important tools na dapat nating gawin? So number one, walking. Yes, walking strengthens a weak heart when done correctly and safely. Bakit? Number one, it improves circulation. Somehow trains the heart to pump more efficiently, it lowers your blood pressure, and eventually it will improve oxygen delivery. So you have to do it at least 20, 30, even to 45 minutes a day. Ito po ay approved dapat ng inyong doktor. And you would see some changes that will happen. But make sure that you have to start on small steps, but eventually it will have a big impact in your heart health. Ito uli ang tanong. Can a person with heart failure live a normal life? Short answer, yes, and many do. But normal changes meaning. So a normal life with heart failure means you have to take your maintenance meds regularly, you have to watch salt and fluid intake, you have to stay active but not reckless, and you have to listen to your body. I really have a lot of patients with heart failure who actually travel. They enjoy their work and even enjoy family life. So the actual key is early diagnosis and of course, discipline. So what are the early signs of a weak heart? So these are actual signs that are frequently ignored by patients. So if you are easily fatigued, madali ka mapagod, ikaw ay kinakapos, yung tinatawag namin shortness of breath, especially on exertion. 3, pag medyo namamaga ang iyong paa, hindi lang sa pop, even on the ankles, and you need more pillows to sleep at nahihirapan kang huminga, nagkakaroon ka ng palpitations, or nagkakaroon ka ng sudden weight gain from fluid intake. If you notice all of symptoms, do not wait. So a quiet heart problem is often the most dangerous one. So is it too late to strengthen your heart? Is it? Let me say this clearly. 40 is not too late, 50 is not too late, even 60 is not automatically too late. So what makes it too late is not age, but the delay, the denial, and actually the neglect. So I really have seen improvement in all of my patients who started caring for their heart later in life, but they took the final action. So if you're watching this and asking, may pag-asa pa ba ang puso ko? The answer will always be, there is hope, but it starts with your action. So get checked, follow your treatment, move your body, respect your limits. So your heart may be tired, but it's not hopeless. I'm Dr. Eileen Cynthia Delara, and if this video helped you understand your heart better, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who really needs reassurance today. Because a stronger heart often begins with the right information. See you in my next video.